Hey, Remote Pilot 101, Jason Schappert here with another SUAS update. And with every passing day, we're discovering new ways to integrate our favorite technology into our home delivery space, increasing the chances that we may end up on the front lines as drone pilots, helping people live happier and healthier lives. You know, while the idea of Amazon dropping packages on our doorstep has kind of been the forefront of media discussion for years, many have questioned how our industry can best apply this technology to improve safety and care in the medical space. For starters, a Mountain View, California company, Matternet, has already had trials of drones in the delivery of food aid and medical supplies in Haiti and other areas hit by disaster. Integrated with their autonomous M2 drone and cloud platform, the Matternet station allows hospitals and their supply partners to integrate automated drone deliveries in laboratories and pharmacy operations. So by replacing slower options of the past, hospitals can move blood diagnostics, pathology specimens, and medicine between their facilities and suppliers with thus what seems much more secure and much faster and actually a more predictable aerial delivery. For now, Matternet is only using these stations as healthcare systems in Switzerland and the US, but in 2019, the same M2 vehicle enabled a little company called UPS to become the first FAA-approved drone airline under the FAA's Part 135 rules, allowing both companies to rapidly scale drone deliveries and hospital operations. Communication equipment, mobile technology, and portable shelters comprise a vast list of what could be delivered in a rapid fashion to areas where critical infrastructure damage or changes would prevent typical ground or even just manned aviation to get in and out of there. In the wake of COVID-19, it's become increasingly apparent how rapid delivery of vaccines, medications, supplies right to the source could quash outbreaks of life-threatening communicable diseases to enhance efficiency, reliability, and predictability of delivering those medical supplies between the hospitals, laboratories, etc. UC San Diego Health has actually launched a pilot project to test the use of UAVs between Jacobs Medical Center, Moore's Cancer Center, and the Center for Advanced Laboratory Medicine as well. For the time being, most biological samples must travel between sites via a courier car with designated hours, leaving the system vulnerable to the unpredictabilities of road congestion, accidents, construction, and more. A drone? Well, we can fly over such obstacles and take a more direct path to get there, cover the same distance in honestly minutes. Together, UPS and Matternet, UC San Diego's health project, will see drones following predetermined, low-risk flight paths within visual line of sight and under the FAA's Part 135 rules with no cameras and monitored by remote operators. Now, in places like the UK's Isle of Wight, patients rely on mainland hospitals for specialized treatments. People find themselves traveling long and exhausting ferry trips on a regular basis. With drones, things like chemotherapy kits could be flown from hospitals to recognized locations, or they could be taken to the patient's home and administered by local medical staff. This isn't to mention that drones could also be used to transport urgent blood and organs. On that very note, San Francisco-based company Zipline launched its business in Rwanda in 2016, primarily delivering blood, but also platelets and frozen plasma. Now, as May 2019, more than 65% of blood deliveries in Rwanda outside the capital of Kigali used Zipline drones. Via capital investment of $190 million last year, the company expects to serve 700 million people within the next 4 by expanding its medical supply delivery systems across the world, starting with the United States and India. In their recent interview, the CEO of Zipline said there is a growing feeling around the world that technology is not benefiting the vast majority of people. The old conventional wisdom that has been, this building of successful technology, the company requires exploiting people's personal information or hijacking their attention. He went on to insist that their company seeks to establish a new model for success by demonstrating how a tech company with the right mission and the best team can improve the lives of every person on the planet. Most of us have seen, or maybe even some of us have a training on an AED device or an AED usage. An automated external defibrillator is a sophisticated yet easy to use medical device to analyze the heart and, if necessary, deliver that electrical shock or defibrillation to help the muscle reestablish its effective rhythm in the instance of cardiac arrest. Now, Reno-based Flirty has been using drones to deliver AED systems to crash sites and other areas of need since 2017. In 2019, the company joined with the FAA and its local UAS integration pilot program partners and the city of Reno, where it's based, in pioneering a scalable model for commercial drone delivery. Flirty received approval to conduct operations from remote locations and operate beyond visual line of sight. According to Reno officials, one Flirty delivery drone carrying AED has the potential to save at least one life every 2 weeks. Now, they say that deployed nationwide, Flirty service has the potential to save more than 100,000 lives per year and more than 1 million American lives over the decade to come. So which of these new opportunities are you most excited about? And what are some that you've heard about that may not be on our radar yet as well? Let us know in the Facebook comments and the YouTube comments or on remotepilot101.com. We're excited. I read each and every one of your comments, so I can't wait to see them. And I'll see you all next week for another SUAS update. Remote Pilot 101 is the most successful Part 107 test prep course on the market, with over 18,000 tests passed. It's one price, and you get our updated initial and brand new recurrent course for life. It's 2 courses for the price of one, and it's for life. See the actual test questions, learn the material, take the practice quizzes, all at your own pace through our easy videos you've already grown to love. Visit remotepilot101.com to become a member for life and learn more.